Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwaveforecast.com YouTube channel, and today I'm going to update quickly on the long-term outlook of the platinum. This is platinum futures monthly time frame. Now we can see we ended this massive wave 2. This is the super cycle, right? The great super cycle ended here, the grand super cycle, and then you can see that the pullback is in a 3 waves, which is corrective, right? Which is corrective, and then from here we rally, and you notice here this pullback is a 3 waves pullback. Again, that is telling us that most likely we are bullish against this COVID-19 low. All right, so then we're now doing the weakness across the board. I mean, you can see the weakness in gold, silver as well at the moment. Now the question is, are we going to hold above 2022? Now that is the big question. There are two possibilities right now, but since we have 3 ways here and 3 ways here, I think what we can say for now is that the longer term is undoubtedly bullish, right? Undoubtedly bullish, because it was 3 ways here, it was 3 ways here. Now the fact that this was a 3 waves suggests that we are bullish against this. Eventually we're going to break above this, but in the meantime we can either do this alternate 2 here, or if 2 is finished, we can just quickly do a bit more downside before we rally again. So these two paths are the possibilities, but all of them is still bullish against this COVID-19 2020 low here. Okay, now if we take a look here in the shorter cycle on the daily time frame, so we got this what looks like a 1 2 3 4 5, or you can call it that way, a diagonal, right? And then now looking for weakness or correction to correct this. So again, this is the more aggressive view. As long as we hold above 2022 September, which is 796.8, we can see a bit more downside to kind of retest this low, but then after that we rally higher. Now shorter cycle, we should continue to see for the downside, right, to finish the C of Y. Now in the more extreme cases where we see US dollar rallying tremendously still and extends, and the market has been a little bit broken now with the the bonds continue to sell off, and now starting to impact the indices as well. Now in the case the market get chaotic, we can actually break below 796.8. Now in that case we go to this route alternate 2 here, retesting this 2020 low 569.8 before we start to rally higher again. So the alternate path is a more serious weakness in the platinum here, in more serious route before it turns higher. But I mean, all the options are still bullish in the larger time frame, but those are the possible options now. So for now we take the more aggressive view for now, the more bullish view, and then looking for more upside above 796.8, which is a September low over here. Alright, so that is the update for today, and as always, if you want to get more updates, you can we don't cover platinum in our service, but we do cover other commodities like gold, silver, and so on. So you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.